Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode fishing this season's fall run. Just got down here to the South Shore of Long Island. Like literally just stopped raining maybe like an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. We're actually getting a little bit of sunlight before sunset. Today's combo, I'm gonna throw a diamond jig, green tube, and I got a teaser on today. I'm gonna try this because I've been hearing teasers have been helping out a lot right now. We got some really nice surf out here today. Tons of breaking waves, white water everywhere. I do see birds working bait out there. Like there's some blitzing going on, but I mean, that's way out there. Oh, there, we just got bit. Yeah, fish on. Nice. He hit really close in these breaking waves. First fish of the evening. Feels good. Not sure if he took the teaser or the diamond though. Alright, we're getting him in. First bite came on teaser. It's a Big Bill's bucktails teaser also. It's a nice schoolie. I think that's all we're going to be getting into now is a lot of schoolies. A lot of the big fish I think moved on. Got a Coast Guard helicopter coming through. There's a fish. Nice. Hit it in like the same spot, not far out. These schoolies, man, they still got some spunk to them. They put a bend in the rod. I can't complain one bit. He's way down the beach. Looks like we gotta go walk a little. Nice, this one hit the diamond. About the same size fish, the first one. Yeah, it's probably about the same size. I was gonna say maybe the bigger ones want the diamond and the smaller guys want the teaser, but it's about the same. These are shorts. I don't know how good the video is still picking this up, but it is gonna start getting dark quick. Might lose you on video soon. There's a fish. Took a little while to get that bite. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I'll turn my headlamp on in like a minute. Quite a few people around me still. I don't want to be flashing my light like crazy. Let's see if he took. Alright, we get the light on now. Oh, he just popped off. Alright, I don't know if he had diamond or the teaser. Let's try again. There's a fish. Picked it up pretty light. right, this time I'll walk down a little bit. They keep getting pulled, you know, to the right from this sweep. All right, he took the diamond. Oh, he just popped off. Let's maybe try to get like one more, actually land it. Then I'm probably gonna call it. This outing may be over, but don't worry, the video is not over. I'm gonna come back tomorrow first light. I just rather get some daytime filming in. As you can see, it's too dark for the camera. I don't want to do another night session. It just seems like a lot of dinks out here anyway. There's one. Never gets old. Gotta love these guys. I'll get my light on in a second. Try to just wait to get them in a little bit more. Just have a little bit of respect for the other fishermen. I'm gonna walk back a little so we don't lose them. All right, this guy took teaser. So we're getting like a mixed bag of the action. Some are going for the teaser, some are going for the diamond. Small little guy. All right, so that was a fun little quick outing. Fished for like an hour and a half, maybe almost 2 hours. Throwing the diamond jig with the teaser. And both were catching fish. I probably could stay here and, you know, keep catching more, but I don't want to do another night video. We're gonna come back first light, continue on, keep throwing diamond jigs, teasers, maybe some other sand eel imitations, and who knows, maybe bucktail again. So all right guys, stay tuned. All right guys, so we're back down at the beach. It's just starting to get first light. It's early right now. It is almost 6 a.m. in the morning, and this is actually not the next morning from what you just watched. I ended up having to work that weekend, so it is actually the following weekend, but I got here first light, first thing in the morning. Last weekend, it was some schoolie invasion. So it's about an hour into dead low tide. I kind of been liking the lower tide, so I don't think that's really gonna affect it too much today. There's a fish. Finally, our first bite of the morning. He hit pretty close to shore. He took the teaser. Well, first fish of the morning, little dinker. At least it's something. Keep moving around spots on the beach. I'm just trying to find fish somewhere out here. Stopped over here because get some good breakers, some white sudsy water. All looks like perfect conditions to catch some fish. They're just not really biting out here today. There's a fish. Knew we would hook up over here. Seems like the key is letting that diamond jig sink and just working the rod tip real low. Yeah, he's pretty. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I got him. Ooh, got him. He's a little one still. He was fighting like he was a little bit bigger. Oh, I was getting bumped. They're hitting way out, like at the end of the cast. There's a fish. It's coming in pretty quick. Little rat here. These little dinkers. Hey, it's better than getting nothing, you know. Ooh, I gotta move down the beach. It looks like there's a little blitz happening right over here. There's no birds on them, but I can see the fish feeding on the bait right over here. All right, it was somewhere in this area. I don't see it going on now, but it still looks like some bait is getting worked right out over here. I can't really go like directly in line with it. There's some people over here. I'm gonna try to cast from like an angle. There's a fish. Oh yeah, this feels pretty decent. He picked up whatever, the diamond or the teaser, just ran with it. You gotta wait for a wave to get him in. That's a good bass. There we go, finally something with a little bit of size to it this morning. All of my fish today, this morning, have been on the teaser. There we go. Something with a little bit of weight. I mean, no slot, but probably a good 25-inch fish. Whoa, almost got pummeled by that wave. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do real quick is go up to my car. I gotta switch out the SD card on my GoPro. I hear it beeping. And it is getting a little warm out. I'm gonna take my Stormer jacket off. I'm getting a little hot. And we'll come back down here, try to catch maybe a couple more before I call it. It's still early. It's only about like 8:30 in the morning. So yeah, let me go run up to my car and we'll get right back on the water. All right, so I'm back down here. It's about 9 a.m. now. Feel a lot cooler. Took my jacket off. Kind of came right back to the last spot where I caught my last fish. So let's see if they're still down here. All right, guys, I think that's it for me. I'm walking back to my car now. It was pretty slow. I probably fished for like almost an hour more and I didn't get a single tap out there. But hey, it was still a fun 2 outings that I did. We got into the schoolie invasion. That's kind of expected, you know, this time of year. We're in November now. It's kind of getting late into the fall run. Gonna get those schoolies. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Drop me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up and I'll catch you on the next one.